Have you ever felt that learning English is difficult, boring, or maybe even scary? Meet Liza, a young lady who lived in a quiet town and dreamed of speaking English well. But every time she tried, the words felt strange and moved too fast. She started to believe English wasn't for her, that it was only for smart people. But deep down, her dream to understand movies and talk to people from other countries never faded. One day, while scrolling on her phone, Liza found a short English video on YouTube. It had pictures, slow voices, and subtitles. She clicked it just for fun, and that small click changed everything. For the first time, English didn't feel scary. It felt friendly. The people in the video spoke slowly, using easy words, and Liza could understand some of it. That small moment of understanding made her feel so happy and proud, and it sparked a desire to learn more. From that day on, Liza started a new habit. Every day, she watched short English videos, not hard grammar lessons, but simple stories, cartoons, and daily conversations. She discovered a powerful secret. Learning English can be fun and natural, just like learning a song. She realized consistency was key. It was better to watch for 10 or 15 minutes every single day than to study for hours once a week. Soon, Liza added movies to her routine. She started with simple ones, with clear stories. First, she watched with subtitles in her own language, then with English subtitles, and finally with no subtitles at all. She listened carefully to how people greeted each other, asked questions, and expressed their feelings. She would repeat the lines quietly and then loudly. She learned that mistakes weren't enemies, they were her best teachers. Slowly, her ears got used to the sounds, and her mouth became less afraid to speak. One magical day, while watching a movie, she realized she understood a whole conversation without reading the subtitles. Her heart filled with joy. She knew she was improving, little by little. Liza created her own English world right in her small room. She started a notebook where she wrote down useful sentences from movies. She would read them aloud, talk to herself in English, and imagine having conversations. Even though no one around her spoke English, she was constantly practicing it. After starting her journey with movies and YouTube, Liza's life began to change. She made a simple but powerful habit. Watch English videos for just 10 or 20 minutes every day without fail. She chose friendly videos made for learners. When watching, she didn't stress about understanding every single word. Instead, she focused on the story, the faces, and the feelings. She learned that language is more than just words. It's about communication. When she watched movies, she would pause on a useful sentence and repeat it, trying to copy the speaker's tone. Even if her pronunciation wasn't perfect, she just smiled and kept going. She understood that confidence is more important than perfection. Sometimes she'd watch the same scene many times. This repetition helped the sentences stick in her mind. Soon, she noticed something amazing. Her thoughts started to appear in simple English. This made her incredibly happy. Liza also learned to choose the right content. She stuck to cartoons, family movies, and slow English channels. She avoided fast-paced action movies that would only leave her feeling confused and tired. By choosing the right level, she stayed motivated. Even on lazy days, she'd remind herself that just watching a movie in English was still a form of learning. This took away all the pressure and made her learning feel natural, just like how a child learns their first language. Her vocabulary grew without her even trying to memorize long lists of words. By hearing words over and over again in different movies and videos, she started to understand their meaning from the context. She learned how real people use sentences in daily life, how they say thank you, I'm sorry, or don't worry. She copied their emotion, which helped her sound more natural. One day, a foreign visitor came to her town. Instead of being shy, Liza tried to speak using the simple sentences she'd learned. The conversation was a success. That moment was a huge motivation, proving that English is for real communication, not just for passing exams. As time went on, Liza became more and more comfortable with English. The sounds were no longer strange. They were familiar. She continued her daily routine, watching videos during breakfast or a movie scene before bed. She always chose content that she found interesting, because interest is what keeps you going. She developed a simple but effective method. First, she'd watch a video without subtitles to get the main idea. Then, she'd watch it again with English subtitles to connect the words to the sounds. Finally, she'd watch it one more time, repeating the sentences out loud. This simple trick helped her improve her listening, reading, and speaking all at once. In her notebook, she focused on common, everyday sentences, simple questions, short answers. She practiced saying them with feeling because she knew language is alive. Sometimes she'd even pause the movie and act out the scene, copying the character's voice and emotions. This made learning fun and unforgettable. Slowly, she began to understand English without translating in her head. Her brain was building new connections. She also learned that it's okay not to understand everything. If a sentence was confusing, she didn't stop or feel sad. She just kept watching, and often the meaning would become clear later in the story. This mindset helped her stay relaxed and confident. A big change happened when she started talking to herself in English, describing her day or her thoughts in simple sentences. This daily practice made her speaking flow more naturally. English was no longer a scary subject. It had become a friend. Liza's story shows us that learning English can be an exciting adventure. She started small, stayed consistent, and chose content she loved. She learned that mistakes are just stepping stones and that enjoying the process is the most important part. Step by step, her confidence grew, and English became a tool to connect with the world. Just like Liza, you can turn learning into something you look forward to every day. Use movies and YouTube as your friendly guides. Practice a little each day. Enjoy the stories. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Your confidence will grow and English will become your friend, not a challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more inspiring stories.